Before we sign off this job, I want to do one little electrical problem that's quite common. I hope you can see what's happening here. Wait a minute, let me see if I can see what's happening. Don't know if I can. There. The top cover, where are we now? Let's see if I can zoom out. The little top cover needs bending down. It's not making contact with the teeth. See? That's an easy fix. I'm just going to get in there with a big punch and see if I can punch that down. Well, I ended up taking the top of the dash off because there was only 2 screws holding it in. All there's been glued in, look. Anyway, look. See, look. Look at that power. Probably blown a fuse now. Look at that. Let's fix that. The other one's alright. Yeah. So just bash this piece over and fold it over and that'll fix the wipers. Right, next job. Sills.